Hi everyone, here I want to talk about the effectiveness of implementing digital game-based learning in English learning in secondary schools in Indonesia. From my study, I found that integrating digital game-based learning in English language learning positively affects students' achievement, motivation, and other non-cognitive outcomes. I have three main points to support my thesis statement. The first one, digital game-based learning effectively enhances overall students' achievement in English learning. The second, digital game-based learning with interesting features promotes students' motivation. And the third, digital game-based learning can improve students' non-cognitive outcomes. In the first topic sentence, I have two supporting evidence from three different sources. The first one, supporting evidence from Yesilbach et al. 2020 and Sai et al. 2016 said that the experimental group implementing digital games, whether it use computer games or mobile phone, experienced a significant increase in the academic achievement. The second, employing digital game-based learning can help language acquisition, knowledge gain, and high-order thinking. However, the improvement cannot be seen in all skills. Wang et al. Note that the result of listening pre-test and post-test was similar. Another counterargument from Chu 2013 discovered that there were many debatable views whether digital game-based learning only provide fun activity without considering cognitive outcomes. However, these two counterarguments are answered by many different articles. Even though digital game-based learning cannot effectively improve listening skills, it can improve other English skills such as reading, vocabulary, and speaking. Also, consistent positive outcomes are found in numerous studies focusing on the approach. In the second argument, digital game-based learning with interesting features promotes students' motivation in the learning process. I have two supporting evidence to support my statement. The first one, general digital game-based learning and digital game-based learning with interactive response system effectively enhance students' motivation and attention. The second supporting evidence is the experiment implementing Happy English Learning System, which integrates digital game-based learning in English learning, results in the increase of students' motivation. However, students may be only interested or motivated in the learning with digital game-based learning at first, but feel boredom eventually. This counter-argument is refuted by Saylor and Homner. They said that the larger impacts in motivation are seen in the gamification intervention lasting half a year or less than 1 day or less. The second counter-argument from Fit Ulang 2016. Students discovered that some DGBL provided monotonous activities and too many texts. It seems like textbooks, making them less motivated. This is also refuted by Chan et al. 2018. The effect of DGBL actually depends on the feature itself. Adventure game-based learning can be more motivating than non-adventure game-based learning with drill and practice. The third, digital game-based learning improves non-cognitive outcomes. I also have two supporting evidence to support my statement. The first, employing DGBL also helps psychological state, participatory behaviors, and correlational outcomes. Second, integrating games in English learning enhances learner intrinsic goal orientation, self-efficacy, and control of learning beliefs. However, these two supporting evidence are countered by Saylor and Homner that found the improvement of non-cognitive outcomes in various studies are less stable. This counter-argument is refuted by three different articles. The first, actually it again relies on the features. The features of the game can influence students' engagement, motivation, self-efficacy, and perceived competence. Second, the features such as competition in DGBL functions well as a means to develop cognitive and non-cognitive outcomes. And the third, we can also use other strategies to implement digital game-based learning, such as discussing game with peers. It can enhance their social problem-solving ability. That's all my presentation, and thank you.